Well, hey guys, I'm currently editing this video right now. Just trying to explain what the hell I'm doing in the video. So right here we have the power steering pump. Basically what's happening is every time I'm pressing the brakes, it's squealing. The belt is just squealing. Obviously you can see it slipping and stuff. So I'm gonna be replacing it. Since the brake system uses hydro boost, that's why it's linked to the power steering like this. So both when you're turning the steering wheel, it does this squeakiness and slippage, as well as when you press the brake pedal. So the first thing I'm gonna do is remove this fan. And I loosened the adjustment bolts on the alternator so it just slides over like that and relieves all the tension on the belt. So on this one, this is the power steering pump right here. This is the pivot point, so I have to loosen that. And then up here behind it somewhere, that is where you slide it. Right there. A lot of these bolts actually come loose way easier than I expect them to. Like, that did not take that much at all to crack it. Well, I spoke too soon on that. This freaking bolt right here, the sliding one, it's literally caused so much problems. I had to go get a different ratchet because this is the only one with the shorter sockets because the longer sockets wouldn't fit in there, so I finally broke it loose. Look how shitty this belt is though. Holy crap. Alright, look at the difference of the new V-belt and then the old one. Dude, that thing is literally shredded, like doesn't have any divots in it or anything. Now everything is back together and we can give it a little test. Moment of truth. Alright, ready? Oh, it's way Oh yeah! Let's try the brake now. Oh yeah, no squealing in that. Dude, oh my god, it is so easy now. Holy crap! This thing is, yeah, so freaking smooth, dude. Oh my god. That is insane. I'm down here again. Right here there is a second deep cycle battery. It's underneath right on this plate right here, and I'm gonna see if I can remove it and test the battery. I don't think it'll be good because I have no idea how long it's been in here or how new it is, so we're probably gonna have to get a new RV battery for it, but it doesn't hurt to test it. And it seems to be coming out pretty easy. Oh shit. The fuck? Oh yeah, that's what I should have done. I should have done from the inside. Oh shit. Alrighty. Please don't fall on my head. This is getting sketchy. Whoa! And it did drop. That wasn't sketchy at all. Dude, the freaking corrosion on this is insane. That is a blue pile of crystals. Dude, look at that crap. That is just Lovely. God, this thing is like... That thing is rough. This is the lid to the carburetor and it's all nasty and rusted. So I'm gonna sand it off and repaint it black. And then this is the battery tray. And I'm gonna try to do the same thing to that.